Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about digital audio editing and tools. First of all, we need to know about what is meant by digital audio editing. Digital audio editing is a process of recording, modifying, enhancing, arranging sound using the computer based on tools and softwares. It plays a major role in music production, podcast creation, film studio design, radio broadcasting, gaming, multimedia applications. Moreover, we are using the traditional analog methods. Digital audio editing allows sounds to manipulate with high precision, flexibility and quality. Moreover, the properties of sounds characteristics are the sound is a foundation of digital audio editing tools. Moreover, sound is a mechanical wave produced by vibration that travels through the medium such as air, water and solids. These vibration creates a pressure changes that move outwards in the form of waves. Since sound requires the medium to travel, it cannot move through the vacuum. Longitude waves, meaning the particles of medium vibrated parallel to the direction in which the waves travels. Frequency and pitch is the closely related. Both are maximum same. Frequency is scientific measurement, while pitch is the way human perceive how high or low sound seems. Higher frequency produce high pitched sound, while low frequency create the deeper or bass sound. Amplitude and loudness. Amplitude is associated with the loudness of sounds. Sounds with higher amplitude are perceived as a louder, while the lower amplitude sounds are softer. Loudness is commonly measured in decibel, which is the logarithmic scale. Moreover, the human ear does not perceive all the frequency. The louder meanings the sounds of the seems displays the logarithmic scale. Sound propagation. It refers to the movement of the sound waves through the different materials. Whenever the sound travels through the comparison and rarefaction, where particles are moving by the high pressure and moving the refraction with the low pressure. Speed varies by the mediums like the solid, gas and other things. Density and elasticity of the medium determines the propagation speed. Here also intensity decrease with the distance from sounds in the square of law. The speed of sound. The sounds are varies by the medium. It is fastest moving in the solids, then the liquids, then the gas. The lowest form of speed of the sound will be calculated. Next is temperature. Temperature is in a warmer air. It increase in the warmer air. Moreover, the density and elasticity. Higher elasticity is equal to faster propagation. Whenever we are having the higher elasticity, there will be the faster medium of sound will be traveled. Water denotes the 1500 meter per second, 4.3 into faster than in the air. Hearing is the another important concept in digital audio editing. The ear is the more sensitive to frequencies. The mid-range approximately 1 kilohertz to 4 kilohertz. Moreover, the frequency range of the human hearing is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, that is 20 kilohertz, where the speech clarity is the strongest. This is represented by equal loudness counter, which explain how human perceive volumes differently across the frequencies. Moreover, the age related decline. Sensitivity decreases with age, especially at high frequencies. Equal loudness counters. Human ear more sensitive to mid-range frequencies, that is 1 to 4 kilohertz. The dynamic ranges from 0 decibels threshold of hearing to 120 decibels threshold of pain. Spatial hearing, ability to locate sound source through the interactual time at level of intervals. Moreover, the sound use interactual time differs and level difference between both ears. Audio editors use studio planning and sound record techniques to create the impressive listening experience based on these natural hearing abilities. Moreover, it starts from the 0 decibel, while the sounds above 120 decibels may cause the pain or hearing damage. Thank you.